Everyone's just like, fall in love with web development. Yeah, okay. Let me just light a candle and fall in love with a broken CSS layout that's been bullying me for the last 3 hours. Sounds romantic? Didn't think so. But here's the thing. You don't force passion. You hack your damn brain. So let me plug into your neural circuit and show you how to be in love with web development. Step 1. Make it stupidly fun. Treat web development like a video game, not a punishment from the tech god. Ask yourself, why do people obsess over Candy Crush or scroll Instagram till their souls leave their body? Dopamine. That's why. That sweet brain chemical. So give your brain some of that. Bait it. Don't start with, I will build a serious portfolio, yada yada yada. You sound like a record on repeat, like a factory-made replica developer. Start with, I'm building a website that plays a dramatic sound effect every time someone clicks a button. Is that useful? No. Is it borderline genius? Absolutely. Make things explode on hover. Make buttons scream. Make a website that tells you what pizza topping you are. It's not stupid. It's science. Curiosity leads to obsession. Step 2. Rituals, not resolutions. The secret isn't motivation, it's rhythm. Code at the same time every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Train your brain like it's your dog. Sit, stay, deploy. Try the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes dev, 5 minutes stare into the void. Use Forest app, toggle track, or a literal kitchen timer. Doesn't matter, but just do it. You missed a day, no guilt. Just code double tomorrow. Or don't. I'm not your mom. But share your progress online. Twitter, GitHub, Discord, LinkedIn if you're desperate. You'd be shocked how motivating a stranger's comment can be when all you have done is just make a navbar. Step 3. Learn like a broke hacker. Don't just watch tutorials like it's Netflix. Break stuff, fix stuff, break it again. Find an open source project, clone it, ruin it, cry, get depressed, fix it again. Congratulations, you just learned more in 2 hours than a week-long course. You hate CSS? Build 10 ugly-ass buttons. Then make them look like Apple designed them while drunk. If you have trouble remembering stuff, use Anki flashcards for concepts that don't stick. Or just write it down like I do in a physical notebook till your ink runs out. I once declared a war on Z-index problem. We're friends now. Still don't trust it. Step 4. Find your people. Yes, even you introverts. Ever heard of rubber duck debugging? It's where you explain your code to a duck. Now upgrade that duck. Join Discord groups, Hashnode, dev.to, or local meetups if you're feeling brave. Web devs are like cats. We act independent but secretly want someone to say, damn, that hover effect slaps. Collaborate, teach, ask dumb questions. Nothing builds obsession like realizing, wait, I actually know what I'm doing. Wow. Step 4. Master lazy brilliance. Good web developers are lazy. No, not that couch kind, the automate everything kind. Why repeat yourself when a component can do the job? Why upload images manually when scripts can bulk compress and push them live? Why do anything really when JavaScript and GitHub Actions can babysit your website for you? I have one button that deploys my entire site while I am in the kitchen making ramen. You call it lazy, I call it divine engineering. Step 6. Save this damn video, because when you're stuck screaming, why isn't Flexbox flexing? I'll be here yelling lovingly. Code, you little legend. You asked for this, you're addicted now.